Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there?
As time goes on, it will become lost. And once it enters the market, that is fine. But brother, come to think of it, this man loves and protects us from this.
Oh God. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here as always and as usual. And if you've been on this channel for a very long time, guys, I'm sure you're going to say long time no apartment review or apartment tour. I know guys, but here it is. You're going to enjoy this place cause I'm in a beautiful Shortlet apartment right here in the beautiful city of Enugu. And so far I'm loving everything about this apartment, but then as always, I'm not keeping it to myself. I'm sharing it with you guys to take you through this place to know if it's also a place you're going to check out if you're ever in Enugu, or you just want to be pampered, you just want to be taken care of by other people. All right, so if you are all for the gist, for the news, for whatever it is I have to share, guys, please watch this video to the very end. Remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video, share with your friends and your family, and let's get right into the video. So guys, I just checked into this place and so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing, and let's just take a quick tour of my room. From my room, I'm going to ask the manager to please let me into other rooms. I'll show you guys what it's all about. Are you ready? Let's go. All right guys, so let me start from the door. Okay, let me close the blind. All right, so okay, we still have light. This room is super lit. Well, let me turn down the volume of the telly. No. Nollywood. Alright, so I've turned that down. So basically, this is what this room looks like from the door. So once you enter the door, this is what is going to meet your eyes. Do you guys like what you see? Because I like what I'm seeing. I mean, I like the color of this place. It looks so dreamy, like, and it's something a lot of content creators are going to like. Or if you're someone that loves well lit places, you're definitely going to like this place. And there's something about this lighting that I like. Oh, can you focus on it? Basically, this is what the room looks like. So now let's get into understanding this room and how it works. So this apartment, or this room of mine, is basically divided into two. Here is the bedroom area, here is the living area, right? So now in this bedroom area, first of all, you have a sizable bed, and I'm thinking that this bed is big enough to contain 2 adults. All right, just in case you're coming here with somebody, you should be able to take 2 adults. On the wall over there, should I climb the bed and show you? But I know you're seeing that thing on the wall over there are like 2 drawings of artwork. Then on top of that place is your AC unit. So this room is actually very chilled and all that. Now behind me, let's go from top to down, is your wardrobe or closet. So let's take a look at inside of it to see how big or how little it is. All right, so now this is what it looks like from up to down. So that means whatever it is you are carrying, in case of those of you that are coming back from the abroad, I think this thing can contain your load, your luggage, and all your property. So this is what it looks like. All right. Okay. Now here is an open one. So moving down, down, and down. And this is the second part of it. So you see, space is literally not a problem here because this can take whatever it is you have. All right, and then there are drawers here, like 2 of them and all that. So all right, so that is all about that for the bedroom. Now let's talk about the living area. So basically the living area has this couch, and guys, this couch is actually very comfortable and very soft, and the 3 pillows are to die for. See how soft it is. Like, you can literally stay here and think of your life. So so that is the couch here. And now let me turn this. Now this is the shelf. So this shelf is one of the things that separates the bedroom from the living room, and I'm thinking if you have some personal stuff, be it pictures or stationery, they can always find themselves on the shelf, you know, to personalize the room and give it a personal touch. Now on the table you're going to find a microwave. That is an electric kettle there. That is your cable. You can take it down or take it up. And of course this table is for reading, makeup, feeding as well. You can always eat here, feed here, do your makeup, and you know, look good for the gram or for anybody. And then there's a chair here. That's a standing fan as well. Then for the entertainment console, there is a smart TV here. There is a decoder over there, and that is basically it. There is a trash can for your waste and all that. So in all, this is what the room looks like. That is all about the room. Now before I forget, let's talk about the bathroom. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's this way, guys. So this is the bathroom. Let's take this up a bit. So this is the bathroom. This is the shower space. So let's even check if water is rushing. I'll be running. Oh, you are running. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. So the water is the tap is functional, the shower is functional. That is the water heater, which is also functional. Then moving down here, that is your WC, that is your sink, and yeah, that is it. So what do you think, guys? I think it's spacious and it's very functional. So that is all about that. So I promised you I'll be taking you to other rooms in this apartment to show you what they look like, just in case you do not like this room, and to see what other rooms in this place look like. So let's move. So in front of my room there is another room, but I was told earlier that the room is booked, so I can't go in there. So I'm just going to go downstairs and meet the manager and know if you're going to find another room. So all these things are like rooms for other people, for other guests. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, tum, tum, tum.
Can I take you there?
So guys, this room is free, I've been told by the manager, so I'm going to go right into it to film it and see what it looks like. But before that, I like this artwork. Guys, look at it. What do you think? There are a lot of artworks around this apartment, so if you are here, you're just going to be greeted by several of them. So let's get right into this place. Guys, I am in here and this is what this place looks like. This is it. This is it. Okay, from what you're seeing, all of the rooms are basically the same thing. So let me take this up and give you a detailed tour of this place. So just like my room, this place is also divided into the bedroom and the living area, and as usual, there is the AC, there is the bed, then this shelf. The only difference is that this shelf is bigger than the one in my room, the table is smaller than the one in my room, and you know, every other thing is basically the same. Then there is also a closet or wardrobe going on here, which is smaller than the one in my room as well. Now let's check out the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Everything is the same. There is a water heater, there is a sink, There is a WC, then the shower area. Everything is same here structurally. The only difference here lies that my room is bigger than this one. All right, so I'll head right back to my room and we'll finish the tour and we'll talk about everything ranging from the cost and everything you need to know about this place. All right, guys, I'm back and yeah. Guys, I like this room. So right now we are going to get into the business of the day, which is talking about, let me look for a favorite place or position to drop this camera. So we'll talk about the main thing that I know a lot of you have been waiting to hear. Oh, the sun is much. Where do I drop this? This looks good, right? So now, I know a lot of you are wondering, how do I get here? Where is this place? So basically, I'm going to start with the name. First of all, this place is known as Shortlet Heaven. It's a Shortlet service department right here in Enugu. It is located in Gulf Estate, GRA, Enugu. And several times I've talked on this channel that GRA is a very serene residential area in Enugu. So let's take few minutes. Can you hear any noise? No. GRA is that cool, so calm. So if you're looking for a home away from home, I think this is a place you should check out. So now let's talk about the perks you're going to enjoy if you stay in this place. First of all, you're going to have access to free Wi-Fi. Yes, you're going to enjoy their Wi-Fi for as long as you are here. You're going to enjoy 24/7 electricity or power supply. So there's nothing like they've taken lights and all of those things. You're going to enjoy 24/7 water supply. You're also going to enjoy the security and serenity of this place. And then, like I told you, all the rooms here are en suite. And then you're also going to enjoy their smart televisions that are here and all the things that they've put together, because this place is quite tastefully furnished to cater for your needs and to make you comfortable for as long as you stay here. All right, so now let's talk about the cost. How much does it cost to come here? What does it take to come here? Rooms here go for from 15,000 naira to 25,000 naira, and this is as a result of slight differences in the sizes of the rooms here. Okay, so what you should know is that all the rooms here are structurally similar. So what you find here is what you find in the next room. What you find in the next room is what you're going to find in the room downstairs. All of them are the same. The only difference is just different in size and square meters of the room. So my room, like this place I've shown you that I am currently in now, goes for 20,000 naira per day or per night, depending on how you describe yours. So 20,000 naira gives you access to this room for a day. Now, a room that is bigger than mine, but every other thing that is here is also in that room, and I can't show you guys that room because someone is in that room. There's a guest there, so I can't show you that room. That one goes for 25,000 naira. Everything here that the same, just square meter difference. Now the room downstairs that's a bit smaller than this one, it goes for 15,000 naira, and as you saw, everything there, they're all the same. All right, so that is that. So with 15,000 to 25,000 naira, you can enjoy a room in this apartment. So moving away from that, let me start addressing some of the most frequently asked questions about Airbnbs or Shortlet apartments. You ask me on this channel. Even if you've not asked me, there are people that have asked me that in the past. So number one is there a swimming pool in this place? No, there is no swimming pool. Secondly, can you rent this place for an extended period of time, say 1 month, 2 months? Yes, it's actually very possible, but you need to talk with the management to arrange for that so that you don't get into another person's booked time, because this apartment too, for real guys, it's almost sold out at every point. Like, people are always coming in and going here, although you rarely see your neighbor, like the person in the next room, but keep calling and they're like, oh, no rooms are available. So if you're looking for the arrangement, make sure you call in early and book your space. All right, the next question is, can I rent the entire apartment? Yes, it is very possible, and this is for those of you that have maybe little gatherings, or you want to stay with your friends or your family or your colleagues, so you all want to turn up at the same time and use the entire apartment. Yes, it is very possible, but while you do that with caution, because this is someone's business. So do not come and scatter things and run away just because you pay paid. No, we don't do like that here in Enugu. All right, so you can rent the entire apartment for yourself and for your family, but as usual, you're going to talk with the management to make that bookings and arrangement very seamless for you. What other question do you guys have? Yes, another important one: can I cook while here? No. I get it that a lot of you want to stay in places where you can control what you eat or be in charge of what you eat, but it is slightly not possible here because there are caterers here that will cater for your needs. So whatever it is you want them to cook for you, you just say the word and they bring it, they make it happen. Do people still do this thing? I don't know, but there are caterers here to cater for your needs, and this part is not in your accommodation fee. So if you're paying 20,000 naira for a room here, it doesn't cover your feeding allowance. All right, so you tell them they cook that for you and you pay them for what your food is worth. Now about laundry, yes, there are also people who are here to take care of your laundry, so they do that and you also pay them. However, for housekeeping and all very other thing, you don't get to pay. There are housekeepers that will sweep your room, change your sheets, take care of every other sanitary needs that you have here. All right, so what other question do you guys ask? I'm trying to remember. I'm not sure there is any other one, but if there is more questions, or if there are more questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be there to listen, to read, and to reply you. And if you ask me the one way past me, I'll just simply pass your question to the right person and they will give you a feedback. And now, if you want to stay in this place, I'm going to drop their details in the description box, their contact details in the description box, so you can always reach out. And once you reach out, make sure to tell them that you are coming from Chief Vera. They have something special for everybody that is coming from Chief Vera. Okay, so just make sure you do that. And I think that's all. But before we go, guys, I forgot to show you something. There is a refrigerator in this room, and this refrigerator is also in other rooms, so I forgot to show you guys. So let me show you. It's a refrigerator, but I know some people still want to see it. All right, so it's inside this drawer. This is it. It's not yet on because I just got in here, so there's basically nothing there. So that is the refrigerator, and this drawer that is empty. Okay, so guys, that is all, and this is where we draw the curtain for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you watched to this part, remember, if you want to stay here, make sure to tell them that Chief Vera sent you, and you have a wonderful time in my city. Enjoy yourself, be a good citizen of Nigeria, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and your family, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. Do have a lovely time. Bye.